Hello, David again at MarineMax Lake Hopatcong. Very blistery cold day out here. However, we're standing next to a 2022 19 SPX in Rally Red. This boat just arrived this morning. We have a black hull sitting on a galvanized trailer, dual axles, brakes on both wheels, sport graphic in the middle, an alpha drive with 200 horsepower, sea deck on the swim platform, stainless steel boarding ladder. Lots of other great features on this boat. Let's hop up and take a look. Okay, now we're up here on the bow. New for 2022 is our anchor locker up here. This is cam locked. There's storage down here for your anchor. There's a tie off cleat right here. This shuts off nice. It's also covered in non-skid. Allows you to remove this center cushion and board the boat from the bow without stepping on any of the cushions. Of course, nothing's changed with storage underneath both front seats. We have our upgraded upholstery with the black vinyl covering up where there's not seat padding. Upgraded upholstery also covers full backrest on the seats. As I move farther back onto the boat, storage under our port side helm, infinity woven carpet underneath my feet. We ordered this boat with the standard bench on the left-hand side. Seating for two. This will fold up. And hide away. Now it's seating for one facing forward. Of course, on the driver's side helm, we have our captain's chair. Again, just came in, still on the plastic. Our standard analog gauges with a digital depth finder is up here. Our Fusion stereo system, AM, FM, Bluetooth. There's charge ports down below. Ski locker under my feet. Built-in cooler on the boat right here center. More storage underneath the back seat. As I lift this up, there's our 200 horsepower Merc Cruiser Alpha 1 drive. Storage over here on the starboard side aft. More storage over here. There's a carry-off cooler on the walk-through. On the back of the boat, just a couple of features. We have a charge port for inflating tubes and rafts. We also have this submersible swim platform that will fold 180 degrees off and allows you to sit in the water but still be on the boat. Of course, the ski pole center and our glue down sea deck on the aft of the boat. This boat is available at MarineMax Lake Hopatcong. Even though it's cold, come on down, we'll show it to you.